Hello everyone, so I would like you please to take a look at the last signal which I have sent on the gold yesterday to buy from 3314. As we can see, it has barely reversed from our entry by just 6 pips far away from this entry. That is really a big bummer. And can I claim this signal or not? The answer is yours. You are the judge here. I actually today morning have made a poll here on my Telegram showing what happened here. And as you can see, the signal has barely reversed from our entry, and I put this picture as well. However, I have made a poll asking my followers if they were able to catch this trade. Surprisingly, around 140 have voted for yes, we took the signal. So that was really a good news. But again, the signal here officially hasn't been triggered. It reversed again by 6 pips far away from our entry. Now, however, what's gonna happen next with the gold? That's the question. Actually, here also on Telegram, I said here that we have to wait and see how the gold will react to the resistance at 3342. So what happened is, this is right here, the resistance at 3342. Let me just show it to you. 1 second, what's happening here? 342. Here is the resistance, and as you can see right now, the 4-hour candle right here is about to close within just 50 minutes, which means there is a high potential that the candle is gonna close like that, which means the gold right now seems like it's actually finding difficult time to make a bullish breakout from this level of a real resistance, which was also a previous level of a support, which indicate a potential continuation in the fall. That's the reason I'm actually making this video right now, because most likely we have to consider adjusting our entry to buy the gold. So therefore, first of all, I would like to get rid of the old signal, because most likely we have to consider right now a new entry to buy the gold. So if you guys are in this trade, I highly recommend you to consider closing it right now, because we are looking right now for another entry. So again, right now, as you can see right here, if I just squeeze the chart like that, what we have right here again is a very strong key level of a resistance trend line that indeed has already been broken out from with this bullish breakout candle. So of course here lies the resistance trend line, and as you can see here we have a new attempt of a support trend line. Now if the gold will continue the bearish reversal upon the pressure from the resistance at 3342, there is a high probability that the gold will continue the fall to create a second attempt of the support trend line. Also, it's gonna be under the pressure of retesting the real level of a support at 3270, which lies exactly right here. As you can see, that was the real level of a support. And if the gold again has failed to make a bullish breakout from the resistance at 3342, there is a good chances it will continue the fall and create a support trend line. And not only that, but also right here we can see a support trend line that most likely will be respected again. So therefore the gold actually has a chances to fall down right here and reverse exactly at the same level of a support trend line and continue the rise. So overall the gold still seems to be bullish. The riots in California is actually playing a role here. It actually indicates less trust in the US government and Donald Trump's government. It shows of course that the inability of controlling things and put an end to it for many days seems like it's gonna actually escalate the issue there in California. Even the what do you call it, the request from Trump to impeachment of the California's governor, all of that actually is affecting the dollar and adding more pressure, and actually showing that the gold is actually the safest haven so far. However, if we right now apply the Fibonacci retracement, of course, from the higher high right here to the real level of a support trend line, as we can see right here exactly, now we can see that it actually indicates to the support at 38.2 right here exactly, which actually matches with our analysis. As you can see right here in the past, this was a real level of a support, and I'm actually really relying on this key support. It is very strong key level. As you can see, it has been respected repeatedly multiple times in the recently, of course. Right now, if the gold will continue the fall, that will be actually our best level to continue buying, considering of course that Fibonacci 38.2 is the continuation retracement. Therefore, buying the gold exactly right here at 38.2 is going to be our best option. So we can actually buy right here at 3284. Now If we are going to buy right here, our target is gonna be again 392, which means we're aiming over 1,009 pips. However, for the safe zone in this case, I mean, we don't really need much of safe zone. A small one will be enough right here till Fibonacci 23.6, which means our safe zone will be ranging for around 500 pips. That's not little, that's too much. Let me just reduce it here to the key level of a support right here exactly at 3245, which means our safe zone will be ranging for around 375 pips against 1090 pips of profit. And that will be all, my friends, for the new updated signal from Telegram, from Xtreme Trader. And in the end, of course, please don't forget to join our free channel on Telegram to receive these kind of updates, which is really important, my friends. And remain connected to Xtreme Trader channel because actually I cannot send these updates on YouTube. Here is the channel, Xtreme Gold Signals. You can also find the link in the description below of this video. So again, my friends, until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.